Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Method, the place where real-life English becomes easy, fun, and deliciously simple. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer. Hello, hello, hello to all our amazing learners around the world.
Jennifer, I have to tell you, I am absolutely starving. My stomach has been doing the rumble tango since we started filming.
The Rumble Tango, that's a new one. But you know what? That's perfect timing because today we're tackling a situation every single one of us faces, whether we're traveling, celebrating, or just having a busy day.
That's right. In just a few minutes, you'll learn exactly how to walk into any restaurant, anywhere, and order your meal with confidence and a smile.
Episode 9, Ordering Food in a Restaurant. This is your ultimate guide to speaking English from the menu to the check. No more pointing nervously at the menu. It's time to order like a pro.
So, whether you're craving pizza, pasta, or something truly exotic, stick with us. Today, Jennifer will be the brilliant restaurant owner, and I will be the very hungry customer.
And we'll keep it super clear and simple so you can follow every single word. Ready to turn those hunger pangs into perfect English sentences, Richard?
I was born ready. Let's dig in and begin.
Okay, so imagine you are walking into my restaurant now.
Okay, I'm opening the door. Hello.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Jennifer's restaurant.
Thank you.
How many people are with you today?
Just me. I'm alone today.
Okay, no problem. A table for one person. Please follow me.
Thank you very much.
Here is your table. Please sit down.
This is a nice table. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here's the menu. Take your time and look at it.
Okay, thank you.
Would you like something to drink first?
Yes, please. Can I have some water?
Of course. Cold water or warm water?
Cold water, please.
No problem. I will bring it right away.
Thank you so much.
Okay, I'm bringing the water now. Here you are.
Thank you, Jennifer.
You're welcome. Are you ready to order food or do you need more time?
I need a little more time, please. The menu's quite big.
That's okay. Take your time. I will come back in a few minutes.
Thank you.
Okay, so Richard is looking at the menu now. Let me explain something to our listeners.
Yes, good idea.
When you go to a restaurant, the waiter or waitress will usually ask, "Are you ready to order?"
That's right. And if you need more time, you can say, I need a few more minutes, please.
Exactly. Or you can say, "Can I have a little more time?"
Both are very polite and correct.
Yes. Now, Richard, are you ready to order now?
Yes, I think I'm ready now.
Wonderful. What would you like to eat today?
Well, can I ask you a question first?
Of course. Please ask me anything.
What is today's special?
Oh, good question. Today's special is chicken soup with vegetables and rice.
That sounds delicious. Is it spicy?
No, it's not spicy. It's very mild and tasty.
Perfect. I don't like very spicy food.
Then you will like it. Would you like to try it?
Yes, please. I'll have the chicken soup.
Excellent choice. Would you like anything else? Maybe a salad or some bread?
Yes. Can I have a small salad, please?
Of course. We have a garden salad with tomatoes, cucumbers, and lettuce. Is that okay?
Yes, that sounds great.
Would you like dressing on your salad?
What kind of dressing do you have?
We have Italian dressing, ranch dressing, and olive oil with lemon.
I'll take the olive oil with lemon, please.
Good choice. Very healthy. Anything else?
Yes. Can I also have some bread?
Absolutely. We have white bread and whole wheat bread. Which one would you like?
Whole wheat bread, please.
Perfect. So let me repeat your order. You want chicken soup, a small garden salad with olive oil and lemon, and whole wheat bread. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Wonderful. Your food will be ready in about 15 minutes.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your water while you wait.
I will. Thank you.
So, listeners, did you hear that? When the waiter takes your order, they usually repeat it to make sure everything is correct.
Yes, that's very important. If something is wrong, you can tell them immediately.
Exactly. Now let's continue. Your food is ready, Richard.
Oh, that was fast.
Yes, here is your chicken soup. Be careful, it's very hot.
Thank you for the warning.
And here is your salad and bread. Please enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much. This looks delicious.
You're welcome. If you need anything, just call me.
I will, thank you.
Okay, so now Richard is eating. Let's pause here and talk to our listeners again.
Yes, so when the waiter takes your food, they usually say, enjoy your meal.
That's right. And you can say, thank you, or this looks delicious.
Both are very polite responses.
Also, if you need something during your meal, you can say, excuse me, to get the waiter's attention.
Yes, for example, excuse me, can I have more water, please?
Perfect example, Richard. Now let's continue. How is your food?
It's very good. The soup is delicious.
I'm so happy to hear that. Is everything okay? Do you need anything?
Actually, yes. Can I have some more bread, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
Here you are. More bread for you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Take your time and enjoy.
I will.
Okay, Richard is finishing his meal now. Are you finished, Richard?
Yes, I'm finished. Everything was very good.
I'm so glad you enjoyed it. Would you like some dessert?
What kind of dessert do you have?
We have chocolate cake, apple pie, and ice cream.
Oh, that's a difficult choice. What do you recommend?
I really like the apple pie. It's warm and comes with vanilla ice cream.
That sounds wonderful. I'll have the apple pie, please.
Great. Would you like coffee or tea with your dessert?
I'll have tea, please. Do you have green tea?
Yes, we do. Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Perfect. I'll bring your dessert and tea in a few minutes.
Thank you.
Here is your apple pie and your hot green tea. Be careful, the tea is very hot.
Thank you. It looks amazing.
Enjoy. Let me know if you need anything else.
I will. Thank you.
So, listeners, we just practiced ordering dessert and drinks. This is very useful.
Yes, and remember, you can always ask, what do you recommend if you need help choosing?
That's a great tip. Now, Richard, are you finished with everything?
Yes, I'm finished. Everything was excellent.
Thank you so much. Would you like the bill now?
Yes, please. Can I have the bill?
Of course. I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
Here is your bill. Take your time.
How much is it?
The total is $25.
Okay. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept credit cards and cash.
Great. Here is my credit card.
Thank you. I'll be right back with your receipt.
Okay, thank you.
Here is your receipt and your card. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. The food was delicious and the service was great.
Thank you. That's very kind of you to say. Please come back again soon.
I will. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay, so that's the end of our restaurant conversation.
Yes, we practiced many useful phrases today.
Let's review some of them. First, when you arrive at a restaurant, the host or hostess will ask, how many people?
Right. And you can answer just me, or 2 people, or 4 people.
Exactly. Then, when you sit down, they will give you the menu.
And the waiter will ask, would you like something to drink?
Yes, you can order water, juice, coffee, tea, or soda.
Then, when you're ready to order food, the waiter will ask, are you ready to order?
And you can say, yes, I'm ready, or I need a few more minutes, please.
That's right. When you order, you can say, I'll have the chicken, or can I have the salad, please?
Both are correct and polite. You can also ask questions about the food.
Yes, like, is it spicy? Or, what's in this dish? Or, what do you recommend?
Great examples. And when the food comes, the waiter will say, enjoy your meal.
And you can say, thank you.
If you need something during the meal, you can say, excuse me, can I have more water, please?
Very good. And at the end, you ask for the bill. Can I have the bill, please?
Or you can say, can I have the check, please? Both are correct.
Yes. In American English, people say check more often. In British English, people say bill.
That's a good point, Richard. Both are fine to use.
And finally, you can pay with cash or credit card.
That's right. And it's polite to say thank you to your waiter or waitress.
Yes, always be polite. It makes everyone happy.
Absolutely. So, listeners, we hope you enjoyed today's episode.
We practiced ordering food in a restaurant from start to finish.
This is a very important skill for travelers and English learners.
Yes, you can practice these phrases at home, too. Try saying them out loud.
That's a great idea. Practice makes perfect.
Before we finish, we want to remind you to subscribe to our channel
Yes, please subscribe. We make new episodes every week.
and follow us for the next episode. We have many more topics to help you learn English.
Next time, we will talk about shopping for clothes. That will be very useful.
Yes, I'm excited for that topic. So, listeners, thank you for listening today.
Thank you so much. Keep practicing your English every day.
Remember, learning English takes time, but you can do it.
Yes, don't give up. We believe in you.
See you next time on Learn English Method.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.